Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the update on Bitcoin Cash. For the past several days, the price of Bitcoin Cash is getting rejected by this down trend and resistance. And while moving to the downside, we have also lost this very significant up trend line support as well. And now this previous up trend line support is also flipped into a resistance as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this up trend line has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here from the month of September 2022 up till the month of March 2023. And after the breakout, it was flipped into a support. And since after the month of June 2023 up till now, it was breaking at a very, very nice support. And now after the breakdown, it is again flipped into a resistance. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this recent breakout from this down channel. And we will also take a look at this huge breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And by the way, I have been showing you this wedge even before the breakout. I was telling you that after the breakout, we can expect a very, very massive rally. And so far from this low to here, you can see that the price of Bitcoin Cash has rallied more than 637%, but could not break out this long-term resistance on that start from $700 and goes to $800. Therefore, so far, it could not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And in today's video, we will also discuss that expected target as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trades that are for LDO. You just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 24th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also want the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and it rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash. And this is the 7 day time frame chart. First of all, let me show the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days of weeks, it is not able to break out this downtrend and resistance since after 6th of December 2024. We got few rejections here and several more rejections here. And finally, the price line has also broken down this very significant up trend line support as well. Bounced very well from this long-term support of $270, but could not break out this up trend line support once again. And now it is getting rejected by this resistance. The previous support is now flipped into resistance. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $270 has been previously breaking as support here, and for several weeks it has been breaking as a resistance here as well. Therefore, this time is again breaking as a very, very strong support for the price line of Bitcoin Cash. Now, in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will again need to break out this up trend line resistance, and we will also need to break out this resistance of $350 and $400 as well. By the way, if we take a look at the targets, then technical target for the breakout from this recent down channel, this one, is here at the top of the channel at $700. And from $700 to $800, by the way, we have a very long-term resistance zone. If we take a look at the previous history of this resistance zone, then you can see that previously the price and was rejected by this resistance zone here, here, and here, and here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a very, very strong resistance. Now, here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $1,600 to $2,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.